Flour falls like snow, soft and white. It covers my hands. Each grain is a tiny piece of a larger puzzle waiting to be transformed. The flour is the foundation, the beginning of something wonderful. It holds the promise of delicious bread, cakes and pastries. The journey starts here, with this simple, humble ingredient. I make a well in the flour. This well is like a small crater, ready to hold the magic that will bring the dough to life. It's a simple act, but it's the first step in a process that has been done for centuries. Bakers before me have made this same well, preparing to create something nourishing and delightful. Yeast wakes up in the middle. Warm water joins them. The yeast, tiny and dormant, springs to life with the touch of warmth. It begins to bubble and froth, a sign that it's ready to do its work. This is the heart of the bread-making process where science and art meet. The yeast will transform the flour, giving it rise and texture. It's time to make bread. The ingredients are simple: flour, water, yeast, and a pinch of salt. But the result is something extraordinary. Bread is more than just food. It's a symbol of sustenance and comfort. It brings people together, around tables and in kitchens, sharing moments and creating memories. My hands mix the flour and water. The mixture is rough at first, but with each turn and fold it becomes smoother. The dough starts to take shape, responding to the touch. It's a tactile experience, feeling the transformation under my fingers. The dough is alive, growing and changing with each movement. It feels cool and wet. The dough is sticky, clinging to my fingers. It's a reminder of the raw ingredients, still in their early stages. But with patience and care, this sticky mass will become something beautiful. The process is messy, but it's part of the journey. Each step brings us closer to the final product. The dough starts to come together. It's a sign that the ingredients are melding, forming a cohesive whole. The transformation is gradual, but it's happening. The dough is becoming more elastic, more resilient. It's a living thing, growing stronger with each knead. This is the magic of bread making, watching the dough evolve. It is sticky and soft. The dough stretches and pulls, a testament to its elasticity. It's a delicate balance, keeping it soft yet strong. This is the art of bread making, finding that perfect texture. The dough is ready for the next step, ready to rise and become something more. The journey of flour to bread is a beautiful transformation. Now we knead. Push, pull, turn, push, pull, turn. The dough fights back. It is springy and alive. The sound of kneading is calming. A soft thump thump fills the kitchen. Air bubbles pop. The dough becomes smooth and strong. Time to shape our bread. Gently I form a round loaf. My hands move with care, a light dusting of flour. It sits in the bowl, resting. Soon the oven will be ready. Section 4. Oven's embrace. The oven is hot. The loaf goes in. The baker carefully places the dough, shaped into a perfect loaf, into the preheated oven. The heat is intense, ready to transform the simple ingredients into something extraordinary. The heat works its magic. The dough rises high. As the minutes pass, the dough begins to expand, responding to the oven's embrace. The yeast activates, causing the dough to rise and take on a beautiful, rounded shape. It's a mesmerizing process, watching the transformation from raw dough to a golden loaf. The smell of baking bread fills the air. The kitchen is filled with the comforting aroma of baking bread, a scent that evokes memories of home and warmth. The steam rises, carrying with it the promise of a delicious treat soon to be enjoyed. It is warm and comforting, a gentle crackling sound. The crust is forming. The outer layer of the bread begins to harden, creating a crust that is both crunchy and flavorful. The crackling sound is a testament to the perfect baking process, signaling that the bread is almost ready to be savored. Section 5. The golden reward. The bread is done, golden brown and beautiful. After hours of careful preparation, the dough has transformed into this masterpiece. The aroma fills the kitchen, a promise of the delicious experience to come. I take it out of the oven. The heat radiates through the mitts, a reminder of the hard work and patience that went into this creation. The crust is perfectly crisp, a testament to the precise baking time. Time to slice the bread. The knife glides effortlessly through the golden crust, revealing the soft, airy interior. Each slice is a work of art, showcasing the perfect balance between crust and crumb. The knife cuts through the crust, a soft crunch. The sound is music to my ears, a prelude to the delightful taste that awaits. The crust gives way to the tender, warm bread inside. Inside, the bread is soft and warm. The taste, pure joy. Each bite is a celebration of flavors, a reward for the effort and love poured into the baking process. This is the golden reward, a moment of pure culinary bliss.